Watercare, New Zealand's largest water and wastewater industry company, engaged ABB and Water Engineers Limited to install and commission 10 ABB Aztec AFM 631 fluoride analyzers in their Auckland water treatment plants. The objective was to meet new regulations requiring all New Zealand water governing bodies to monitor fluoride levels in their facilities by 2024.
Our main objective was to have 10 fluoride analysers installed before the end of 2023. This was due to the fact that Te Mata Arawai, which are the regulatory body in New Zealand for drinking water, had changed the regulations and we had to have the measurement of fluoride in our treated water. Because we worked with ABB before, I just felt like they were a trusted partner that we could reach out to. They have the technical expertise and knowledge and the service support that Watercare can rely on. The ABB Aztec fluoride analyzer was something we already had in our water treatment plants. For the last 10 years, it's given us absolutely no problems and we knew it was a reliable analyzer. So it was actually an easy decision for us to make to have that analyzer as our choice.
The ABB Aztec AFM 631 fluoride analyzer is an effective safeguard in achieving safe fluoridation of drinking water through continuous, reliable and accurate online monitoring. It provides protection against fluoride overdosing, proof of legislative compliance and precise control of water fluoridation. It's measurement made easy.
The reason we love that analyzer is it's self-calibrating, so it actually means our instrument technicians don't actually have to do anything. They just have to do some daily checks. There's no manual intervention. There's a yearly maintenance that they have to carry out, but apart from that, it literally runs itself. I was an instrument tech for 6 years at Watercare and never did I get a call out for an ABB analyzer. They're very reliable. We just don't have any issues with them. The team at ABB were fantastic to deal with. They provided all the support that Watercare require and we feel like we've had a fantastic result and we'll definitely work with them again.